Remove the back panel. Flip the keyboard over and find the screws. Carefully unscrew and remove the back panel. Gently separate the casing. Do not force it open. Take a picture of the position that the membrane is in. Wash the membrane with warm soapy water and make sure that you do not tear the membrane. After the membrane is washed, take a dry towel and dry the membrane.
Cleaning internal parts. Use compressed air to remove dust from internal parts. Do not soak or wet the internal components. Remove the keycaps. Take a photo before you start pulling the keycaps off so you can refer to it when putting the keycaps back on. Use a keycap puller or flat tool to pop each keycap off. Start from one corner of the keyboard and work your way across. Place the keycaps in a container that has warm soapy water so they can soak. Cleaning the surface and under the keys. Clean the areas where the keys were with a Q-tip or brush that is lightly soaked in soapy water or isopropyl alcohol.
Reassembling the keyboard. Ensure all of your parts are completely dry before you start reassembling. If you took a picture of the layout before, you can use it to help. Put the membrane back into the correct position. You can use the picture that you took earlier to align it with the system board and the screws. Screw the membrane back in. Reattach the back panel and screw it back into place. Put the keys back into the correct position. Plug the keyboard in and test all of its keys.